how to convert sub-items to items in Monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to convert sub-items to items here on Monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Monday.com. Once when you log in, you can see that there are multiple boards here that I was previously working on, and on the left hand side you can see some more boards. So in order to make a sub item into an item, let me first tell you why do we need to do it. For example, these are the sub items, and at one stage uh, of our career, we think that the sub items need to be converted to items because you find them more valuable and not worthy to be put into the sub item category, or they have turned into some major component of your business or your planning, and now they need to be turned into an item. So that's how you do it. So, in order to do that, what do you need to do? You need to find the sub items on your board, and then it's very easy. You can click here and convert to item. So, this will be converted to an item. Here you go. You can see right here it's converted. You can add them individually, or you can just click here and then uh let's see if we can do that all together. Okay, now we have to do it individually. So let me do this one and the final one. Okay, so here you go. Now we have converted all the sub items into items, and that's how you do it. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.